Hello everyone. In last class we have learnt about number systems, and we have also learned that there are four types of number systems which are used in computers. Right? Now, decimal number system is used by a human being. For every calculation we use decimal number system. So if I define decimal number system first, so decimal number system uses all digits from 0 to 9. Okay, it means all numbers from 0 to 9, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 is a composite number, that is a combination of 1 and 0. So if I have to specify any number in decimal, so for example I am writing 45. Okay, so 45 is a decimal number. Why is it called a decimal number? Because it consists of digits from 0 to 9. And we know that numbers are always composed from right to left. Okay, so if I want to add 5 to this number, where would I place it? So I'll be placing it below 5, because numbers are always go from right to left. Okay, this way. Now we are adding it, so it will be 50. Okay, 5 will be added with 5, so 4 plus 10, that is 50. This number, the rightmost digit, denotes base to the power 0. And what is the base of decimal number system? That is 10. So rightmost number is denoted as 10 to the power 0, that is base to the power 0. Now next number will be denoted as 10 to the power 1. And if we have more numbers, so it will be 10 to the power 2 and so on. So since it is 10 to the power 1 and it is multiplied by 4, so it will be 40 plus 10 to the power 0, you know it is 1, 5 into 1, that is 5. So this number is being composed this way. Okay, if number is 435, then obviously it will be 1, 10 and 100. This you people have already learnt in mathematics. So this is the base of decimal number system that is used by us, like human beings we use decimal number system. Okay, now I'm starting with the next, that is binary number system. So it is used by computer majorly, and it has only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. So what is the base of this number? 2, since it has two members only. So you can assume that all calculations, everything that is being done within the computer is done with the help of these two numbers only. Okay, now next we are talking about octal number system. It has all numbers from 0 to 7. It means total how many numbers do we have? 8. So the base of octal number system is 8. So we are writing base here. This is base, this is base, and this is base. Okay, I am writing 10 here, denoting the base. I am writing base in circle so that you can understand that what is the base of number system. Now hexadecimal number system has base 16, and in hexadecimal all numbers from 0 to 9 is used. After that 10 is denoted by A, 11 by B, 12 by C, 13 by D, 14 by okay, let's make it D and E. So 13 is D, 14 is E, and 15 is F. So it has 16 base starting from 0 to 9 digits. Then these symbols are used to denote the numbers. Okay, so this was about the number system and the base. Out of these four number system, decimal number system is used by human being, like we people use it, and all three number system that is used by computers. Okay, so this is the basic. Now we have to understand that how does a calculation take place when we do it on computer. So for example, we are writing something in computer. Okay, I have to write A to the computer. Okay, so A is converted into ASCII value. See, every letter that we use in computer has a specific numerical value that is called ASCII, ASCII value, that stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So if I code A to computer, it converts it into equivalent ASCII code, that is 65. 65 is a decimal number. Now how does computer stores 65? That we have to learn. It means we have to convert it into binary. Now how does it is to be how to write this or how to convert this, that we are going to study in this video. Now a question is 65 of base 10 is to be converted into binary. So I am writing base 2 here, and what value will come, that I am writing here. So here we are learning how can we convert a decimal number to binary number. Okay, we have to learn this in this chapter, this video. Okay, concept is very simple. What you have to do, you have to write 65 and divide this 65 by 2 until it becomes 0. Okay, so I'm dividing it by 2. It is going 32 times with remainder 1. So we have to write remainder on the right hand side. Then again divided by 2, it will go 16 times and remainder will be times and remainder will be 0. Again we'll divide it by 2, 8 times with 0 remainder. Divide by 2, 4 times, 0 remainder. Divided by 2, 2 times, 0 remainder. Divided by 2 again, 1 time, 0 remainder. Now again divided, because we have to divide it until it becomes 0. Now if we divide 1 by 2, it will go 0 times, like quotient will be 0 and remainder will be 1. So this is the sequence of remainders. Now take these remainders in reverse order. So the equivalent answer will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. How many 0? 5 zeros. 8, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and 1. This will be the equivalent binary code of decimal value 65. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, I'm giving you some values to practice that you can try at your home, and in the next video I'll tell you how can we convert a binary number to a decimal number. So you can try 139, 28, 79. You can try these numbers and tell me that what are the equivalent binary values of these numbers. Okay, thank you.